Hello guys, in this video we are discussing a DSA question. The name of question is bishop position. So this is our question. In this question we find out the position of our bishop that are placed in the our chessboard. So how we can find out the position of our bishop that we are discussing in this question. We are doing this question code in both Java and JavaScript. So what is the question? Ankush has 8 by 8 chessboard whose row are numbered from 1 to 8 from top to bottom and whose columns are numbered from 1 to 8 from left to right. Okay. So Ankush has placed exactly one bishop on the chessboard. Okay, guys. The bishop is not placed on the edges of the board. In other words, the row and column of the bishop are between 2 and 7 inclusive. The bishop attacks in all directions diagonally and there is no limit to distance which the bishop can attack. So now the cell on which the bishop is placed is also considered attacked. Ankush has marked all sequence the bishop attacks but forget where the bishop was. Help Ankush to find the position of the bishop. So guys, this is our chessboard. So in this chessboard, the input is given like that. Like this is chessboard, but our real time input is like that. There are some dots present in the chessboard and this red line marked in chessboard is representing like this is hash. Okay, hash. So there are two different types of characters are present in our matrix. Okay, guys. So I am writing here. So after that, there are some dots present, and let's assume here hash is present, and here is also hash present. So guys, in this question, what we can do, we simply iterate a loop in our matrix. Okay. After the iterating to each element, we check the old diagonals element from like old diagonals like if we are at this position, okay, we are checking for this position. Then what we can check? We can check like if top left element is same or not. At that same time, we can check top right is same or not. Left bottom is same or not, or right bottom is same or not. So we can check this condition. If this condition is satisfied, then at that time we can simply tell that the index is of that particular position. Okay, so this is overall approach of this question that we are solving further. So what is the question? So there are two test cases are given in front of you. So this is first test cases 8 by 8 matrix. Okay. And this is second one. Okay, guys. So you can see here in this chessboard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 element in row and 8 element in column. You can count. Okay, guys. So just a second. So you can count. There are 8 element is present in both sides. So after that, guys, we only check the position of the or element. If we are iterating like at this position, okay, after that this, after that this, then if we find out any hash character, so the hash character is the denoted the our mark. Okay, so if we find out any hash character during the iteration, that what we can do here, we can simply check in the four directions at the top right, top left, top right, and bottom left and bottom right. If the same character is present, that we simply return these values. So you can see here at this first case, the row value is 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 and 4. In the fourth row, and the column is 1, 2, 3. Column number 3. So the row is 4 and column is 3. We return this result. And in second test case, you can see here the middle element is this. row is second and column is second. So 2, 2, we are returning 2 and 2. So the first test case in picture in the statement, since the bishop lies in intersection row 4 and column 3, the correct output is 4 and 3. So that's why we are returning this result. So how we can code of this question? So first of all, we are discussing the code in the Java language. Okay. So this is all about the code, guys. So first of all, we are creating a scanner class object for the input taking. Okay. Import, sorry, we are importing the scanner class for the input taking. So after that, I am creating a main class here. So in the main class, we written our all code. After that, this is our main method, public static string my function. Sorry, this is our main method. This is our method calling. This is our main method starting from here, guys. Okay, public static void main string args. So in this main method, we are creating a scanner class object here. Scanner, a small scanner variable is equal to new scanner system.in. Okay, so our scanner class object is created for the input taking. So in test cases are the given like that in this question 2, and there are 8 by 8 string like character chessboard as present, like this is 8 by 8 matrix are present. So after that, we are getting the test cases like 2. So we know very well in the chess there are 8 by 8 board. So the row is 8 and the column is also 8. So what we can do here, we can simply iterate a for loop from 0 to test cases. So test case is 2, then our for loop is iterating 2 times. First time for this one and second time for the this one. Okay. So after that, the int value is n value is given. This is the length of the columns and the rows that are given in question. There are 8 by 8 matrix. Okay. So guys, this is our character array. Okay. 8 by 8 character array. So in this form, like there are different characters are present. So I am creating a char array. So in the char array, this is matrix. We can store the characters. Okay. So char double matrix, double array sign, and after that the name of the matrix is array is equal to new char. The size of the row and column we are describing here. Okay. So this array is created means chessboard is created here, but this is still empty. So we are filling the value in this chessboard with the help of two loops. So first of all, guys, I am iterating a for loop from 0 to n. So what is the n here? N is 8. Okay, you know very well, n is 8 that are given here. So we are iterating a loop from the 0th position to 8th position because there are 8 row present. Okay, so we are iterating loop first time this, second time this, third time this. So we are iterating in the whole row. So at the first time, we are taking the, there are like this type of result present, like dot, 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 then has, then again has, like then dot, then has. This type of input is present in a single line. Okay. So we are taking the whole line in a string type. So we are storing here string line. We are getting the complete line at one time. So string line is equal to scanner dot next line. We consuming the whole line here. Okay. So after that, we can cut in the parts. So how we can do this? Like string line is equal to scanner dot next line. With the help of next line, we get the whole line. So after that, guys, we know very well in this line there are 8 characters are present. So again, I am iterating a loop for these character. The length of the string is 8. So j is equal to 0, j less than n, and j increment. And after that, array of ij, we are filling the value in our chessboard now. Array of ij means this position at the first of all 0th position. Array of ij equal to line dot caret j. So what is the value of j here? J is 0. Okay, line dot caret 0. So line dot, this is line dot caret 0 means this element. This element we are filling in array of ij. What is the meaning of ij? I is 0 and j is also 0. So we are filling dot here. After that, the second character 0, 1. So we are filling dot here. Then after this type of, after the iteration, the whole loop, at the end of this line, we are fill this complete line. After that, our line is going for I is equal to 1. Then we are coming the second line and we are taking the whole line input, and after that we are create a loop in this line that we are get from here. Like in the for loop, you can see here j is equal to 0, j less than n, and we again fill the value in our matrix. So this is the two for loop for the get for the filling the value in our chessboard. So after that, this part guys, we create our chessboard, and after that, this point our chessboard is created, and here I am creating a method. So what is the method name? My function, and I am passing in this, I am passing our chessboard. The name of chessboard is array and the n is length, that is 8. Okay guys. After that, this function is return some value in string type. Like we see the result, like we are getting result like in first test case is 4 3 and second 2 2. So this is in the string form. Okay, we are returning from our method in the string form. So when this method is returning some value, then we can store in some variable string a, and after that we simply print the value system.out.println, the value of a we are printing. And how we can get the value from the my function, how we can search the position of the bishop. So now see, after that I am doing the scanner.close for the closing the scanner class. So after that guys, we are calling here my function array end. So this is our static method given here. So when we use static method, then we don't create any object to calling our method. So the return type of this method is string. So that's why I am writing here string. Okay, because this is return string value like this. Okay. So after that, this is our method name. Okay. So there are a care array present. मतलब जो ये एरे इसमें हम पास कर रहे हैं बोर्ड, जो पूरा चेस बोर्ड, द टाइप ऑफ दैट बोर्ड इज करेक्टर टाइप. सो here I am writing here care, char, of the type matrix. So that's why I am using here double array sign, and after that the name of our array is arr, and I am passing the value of n. This is also we are mentioning here, that is integer type. Okay, so after that guys, our responsibility to iterate in the whole matrix. Like this is our matrix, and we are iterating at each element, each position, for checking the value. Like there are some, this is like has, this is the our marked space. Okay, and like this is, and the empty spaces are assume they are some different character present. So this is our marked. Okay, so here guys, I am iterating a loop from the outer loop for the rows like 0 to n, n minus 1. So less than n, we are iterating I is equal to 0, I less than n means this position to this position. And inner loop for the columns from this, and this. So we are iterating from the this element to this element, bottom right element. So guys, at each character, at each position, we are checking if our array of ij is equal to hash. Means hash is, I am denoting like that. This is our hash. Okay, that I mentioning here. This is our hash. Assume that. Okay, so this is our hash. This line and this line are represented by the hash. So how we can find out? So if our array of I is equal to hash, so here we are coming, there are no hash present, here is no hash present, here is no hash present, but here is a hash present. Okay. So guys, we can check like that at this position, at the diagonally this side, any hash present. So no, there are no hash present. In this side, yes, definitely. And this side, there is the out of this the boundary, so we cannot go further like this, and we cannot go this side because there are boundary present. So this position is not our result. So after that, this is not, and after that, there are hash present at this position. So we can check at the bottom side. Yes, this is hash present. Then we check the this side. There are no present. Then we are going further. And after that, this position we are checking at this side. Yes, definitely they are present. And this side, one hash is present. But when we check on the this diagonal and this diagonal, there are no hash present. So we are going further. So after that, when we are come at this position, guys, we find out a hash here. Then we are checking at the top right corner any hash present. Yeah, definitely there are one hash present in the top right corner. Any hash present in top left corner? Yes, there are present one. After that, there are in bottom side, in both side there are hashes present. So we find out the position of the intersection. Got it? So I am doing the same in this if condition. If area of ij means this position is equal to hash, yes, definitely. And I plus 1 and j plus 1 is equal to hash. So I am increment in the row and as well as column. So means this position. Okay. Yes, this is also hash. And I am increment in the row and decrement in column. So means I am increment in the row. So I am going here and decrement in column means I am going here. So this element, yes, here is also as present. After that, I am decrement in row and decrement in column. So this position, we are decrement the row, we are going upper and we are decreasing the column also. So this position, yeah, there is one has present here. After that, at the last condition, this side, array of I minus 1. Yes, we are going upward and j plus 1, we are going this side. So this for this position. Okay, here is also has present. Okay, so our if condition is satisfied here. Okay, guys. So when we find out this condition true, then we can simply say that string str, because we are storing the value in string. String str is equal to I plus 1 plus with the space that you can see here, space present here. Okay, plus j plus 1. So this is one base indexing. Okay, you can you can see here the this is another example. The row value is 0, 1, 2, and the column value is 0, 1, 2. So the column value is 1 and the row value is 2. So answer would be like 2 comma 2 space 1. Okay, but our answer is not 2 1. So we are not follow the 0 base indexing, we are follow the 1 base indexing. So this is our first row, this is our second row, this is our third row, and this is our first column, this is our second column. So when we follow the 1 base indexing, so we can say that we increment the 1 in each position. So we can add 1 here, 3 space 1 plus 1, 2. So we are returning 3 comma 2. So in this case, you can see here, when we find out the element at any position, then we are simply increment the I value and increment the j value, and we simply return from here. If the I if we are iterate in the whole matrix and we are not getting any result that are at the position that can be intersect that are present at the intersect line. So at that time, we can simply say that there are no any element present in our matrix that can intersect, and we cannot find out the position. So at that time, our if condition is not executed. If our if condition is not executed, then we can uh, simply come out of the for loop and we simply return the empty array. Okay, we are not returning any value. So this is the all about the code in the Java language, and the in the JavaScript there are same code. There are no much difference. Only input taking part is different in the JavaScript. So you can see here, this is our input taking part. Int sorry, input is equal to input dot split by new line. So I am splitting my input with the new lines. There are many lines present, like first for the test case, second for the string character type values. After that, we are creating a variable like let line is equal to 0. So assume here there are let percent, let or where let line is equal to 0. Then test cases is input of line. Input of line means there are, like I am writing here also if you are a JavaScript student. So guys, there are like present two test cases and there are our strings present like dot hash like this type of. There are 16 lines present, 8 line for the first test cases and 8 line for the second test cases. So in this, first of all, I am splitting the whole input in with the help of the new lines. So these all lines are come in the array form like 2 comma first string, then second string. They are come like this. So first of all, at the zeroth position we get the 2. So this is our test case. Let test case is equal to input of line. Input of line means input of 0. Input of 0 is 2. So this is the type of string. So we are converting in the integer. So I am using here plus sign. So you can also typecast this. So after that, I am iterating a loop from the let I is equal to 0, I less than test cases, because test case is 2 here and I plus plus, and the and value is same. So where I am in the Java, I am using int here, but in the JavaScript we are using let. And after that, I am creating a array. There are no any headache in the JavaScript for the creating the array like in two. We are creating the two array symbol and then new word. That's all about. So we are simply creating array where array is equal to array symbol. Then we are iterating a loop from 0 to n and line plus plus, because we are incrementing every line, okay, again and again. So we simply array dot push, we are pushing in the array, and what is we are pushing? Input of line means input of line. Now our line is increment by 1, so line value is 1. So input of line dot split by without spaces. So there are present without spaces, there are hash present. So these all elements are splitted by the without spaces. So they are come in the array in the matrix form of the chessboard after iteration of the to loop. And then after that, this is my function. My function, I am passing array and n and storing the value in the a. Let a and console.log a, I am consoling the value. And after that, guys, we can see here our original code for the doing same operation. Function, my function, I am passing array and n and iterating the loop for the tra traversal in the matrix, and I0 to n and j0 to n, and we find out any situation if array of I j is equal to hash, and we are like we are checking in the diagonal condition that I tell you in this Java code. So we are see the at the top right, top bottom, top left in the all four direction, and we are getting, then we can simply return this string. Okay. So this is all about the code of the JavaScript of this question. So if you understand the approach, then okay, if you have any other doubt, then you can ask in the comments also. So if you are new in channel, you can subscribe also for the upcoming videos. And if you like the video a little bit, then you can like our video. And if you like more than a little bit, then you can subscribe the channel. So thank you so much, guys. This is all about the code in the Java and JavaScript. So this is our question, be some position. So thank you so much. मिलते हैं किसी न्यू वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.